Hey, this is Keegan with Cox's Double Eagle Harley-Davidson coming to you live from the 2017 annual dealer meeting in Los Angeles, California. We're going to walk around and check out a couple of these 115th anniversary edition bikes. This is the FLHTK Ultra Limited, Odyssey Blue and Vivid Black paint set, the tank badges. And then here we have the Fat Boy dressed up the same way, 114 cubic inch motor. Milwaukee 8 power. And then here's the other anniversary edition color. This is also Fat Boy. Legendary Blue Denim is the name of the paint. It's got that tattoo inspired graphic on the tank. 240 millimeter rear tire. And also in the anniversary lineup, we've got the Softail Heritage. Now the Heritage has got a really bold new look this year. Totally changed the saddlebags. Got rid of the old studs and medallions. This is just a mean little cruiser right here. Blacked out front end. Still got the Baby Moon hub. Lace profile wheels. Brand new lights. It's a tough looking Heritage right there. And we also have the anniversary edition Breakout. Part of the all new Softail lineup. Cool features like the ultra stealthy gauges. Also the legendary Blue Denim. Got an anniversary edition Street Glide. Also comes in the legendary Blue Denim. And if you're an Evo guy, also have the anniversary edition Sportster. Lots of cool stuff from the motor company this year. So come check out these new models at Cox's Double Eagle Harley-Davidson. We'll see you soon.